Meaning of injurious.
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 Injurious. The word injurious is an adjective that describes something that causes harm or injury to a person, animal, or thing. It is often used to describe actions or substances that have negative effects on health or well-being. For example, smoking is injurious to one's health. Exposure to chemicals can be injurious to the environment. Injuries inflicted by physical violence can be injurious to the victim's physical and mental health. In summary, anything that causes harm or injury can be described as injurious, and it's important to avoid such things to maintain a healthy and safe lifestyle.